Hope you're doing well. I'm here with Effin' Sharp to show you how you can take a value pack of chicken thighs and easily debone them yourself. Real quick here, I'm just using some kitchen shears to clean up the chicken thighs. You just want to pull gently on the skin and underside to kind of square off or make a pillow shape out of your chicken thighs. Part of the area where you're saving money is where the butcher is not doing the work for you. So just a few snips here and there and you're set to go. See, it looks much better. Using the Effin' Sharp boning knife, we're going to make some quick work out of taking out the bone of these bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. The key here is to make many short strokes with your boning knife, working right up against the bone. Once you've exposed about 85 to 95% of the bone, go ahead and go under the bone with your boning knife and simply remove. Let's do it again here with this chicken thigh. Again, just small strokes as close as you can against the bone. Practice is going to make perfect here. Once you get near the end of the bone, just simply remove. Turn over and cut off any excess. The Effin' Sharp boning knife.